everybody. I think it is afternoon. Let's see. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 1:04.
Yes, it's afternoon. I kind of slept in a little bit because I was so tired. So I slept in a little bit because I was just tired. So I'm gonna go do my laundry right there, and then I'm gonna go grocery shopping, and then come back home and then start cleaning my whole apartment house. So let's get going. Guys, I just got done grocery shopping. It's already almost 4 and I haven't ate anything, so I'm gonna go home, put all the groceries in the house, and then put my laundry away, and then start cooking, and then I'll start cleaning. So it's gonna be a busy day for me, so let's get going home. Home. I'm gonna put all these stuff away, and then I'm gonna find something to eat, and then I'm gonna cook. I'm just gonna cook hot dogs for tonight and do some little a dipping nacho thing, but it's not like a nacho thing, but it's just like nachos, something like that. So, oh my hair's a mess. It's raining outside. So, I'm gonna make some hot dogs and then put my stuff away, make some hot dogs, and then eat and then clean everything. I'm just getting some snacks. I never had these before, so I might try if it's good. I might get some more. And I never had these. It's cute. Ooh, these are so good. Let's try one of these with cheese. Alright. So this is just like a cheese stick. I love cheese sticks. When I was like younger, I like to eat cheese stick a lot, but when I got older, not no more. Not too much. It's not bad. My hot dogs with banana pepper and jalapenos. Alright, I'm gonna start eating and then I'm gonna start cleaning. House is all cleaned. I'm just gonna end the vlog since it's still sunny, but I'm gonna end the vlog early today. So if you guys stay tuned, I'll be posting up a video of a free giveaway. So stay tuned for more, and please like and subscribe for more. Bye. Good night.